Question number 5. Prove the following. Example number 3. Sec square theta plus cosec square theta is equal to sec square theta into cosec square theta. Now here we write first LHS. LHS sec square theta plus cosec square theta. Now we use here formula for sec theta. What is formula for sec theta? Series LHS is equal to 1 upon, for sec theta, 1 upon cos theta. Then square, sec square. Cube, then sec cube theta. Here square. So cos square theta. 1 upon cos square theta. Plus, here formula for cosec. Cosec theta means 1 upon sin theta. Then here square, then we write here square. 1 upon sin square theta. Now here series cross multiplication, here plus sign, so we apply cross multiplication. Series sin square theta into 1 sin square theta plus cos square theta into 1 cos square theta upon product of denominators cos square theta into sin square theta. Okay, now we know identity, trigonometric identity. Sin square theta plus cos square theta means 1. I will write here 1 into 1, 1 into 1, 1 upon cos square theta into sin square theta. Therefore, LHS is equal to, see this carefully. Now 1 upon cos square, series 1 upon cos square theta, 1 upon cos square theta means what is sec square theta into series into 1 upon sin square theta, 1 upon sin square theta means cosec square theta. This is our RHS. We have proved.